paper 1, which is sent by SCRT of our state AP. So here in the examination, how many sections are there? How many sections? Section 1, Section 2, Section 3 and Section 4. Total marks 50 marks. How many hours? 2 hours. Listen here. Total time span of the examination is 2 hours. Marks 50 marks. In section 1, each question contains 1 mark. There is no choice for 1 mark questions. How many questions are given in this section? 8 questions. 8 questions are given. Now, some important questions and expected questions are given in the paper. So, what is given here? We will see now. First question is, why do we apply paint on iron articles? Why? By applying paint on iron articles, there can be prevention from corrosion. If you write one correct answer, you will get 1 mark. The main reason is prevented from corrosion. Paint does not allow air and moisture to come in contact with the surface of the iron. This is the correct answer and what you are ready to learn and write in the examination. The second question is, bases which are soluble in water are called. So number of times we will repeat this question. Bases which are dissolved in the water, what is the name of that? Alkalis. 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 So here all bases are not alkalis, but all alkalis are bases. Once again, we are repeating the difference. What is between the alkali and a base? The base which are dissolved in the water, that is called alkali. So third one is, a small table is given here. Solution A, B, C, D, E. And the pH value is 4, 1, 12, 7, 9. So this is the question from which chapter? Which chapter? What is the name of that? Very good. Acids and bases. Acids and bases. The question is given on the basis of pH. pH value. So you must learn pH table. The range of the pH table is from 0 to 14. Number of times we will repeat it and explain about that periodic table. Sorry, pH table and the pH values. Both acidic, basic and acidic, neutral and basic nature. So here pH value is 4, 1, 12, 7 and 9. Which is the strong acid solution among the solutions given in the table? So answer is 1. The least number which is given here is 1. If there is a 0 is there, you will prepare. The answer is 0. So 0 is the strongest acid. But here 0 is not there in the table. The least one is 1. So that's why we will usually say the strong acid is B. What are the amphoteric oxides? Amphoteric oxides. Such oxides which react both with acids as well as bases to form salts and water. Generally, acids and bases gives salts and water. Acids and bases give salt and water. So this is called neutralization. If you write a neutralization reaction means you will write one acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. But here amphoteric oxides, such oxides which react both acids and bases to form salt and water. Known as amphoteric oxides. Write any one industrial application of hydrogenation. So hydrogenation. It is used in the production of saturated vegetable ghee from unsaturated vegetable oils. So at the time of preparation of dalda also we will use this hydrogenation concept. Here one catalyst is also used, that is a nickel catalyst is also used to increase the rate of reaction. Why catalysts are used in the chemical reactions? They increase the rate of reactions. Actually, they are not participate in the reaction, but they increase the rate of reaction. That means due to that, we will reduce the cost of the reaction. Cost of the reaction. So why? The human eye forms the image of an object at its cornea, iris, pupil, retina. Human eye, the image forms where in human eye? Retina. Retina. So that is one screen. What is in the eye? One screen is there. The image is caught on the screen. That image, what is in the eye is retina. The screen. The screen, what is in the eye is called retina. Next, to draw the symbol of electric bulb. Draw the symbol of electric bulb. You know the symbol of electric bulb. You know the symbol of electric bulb. How it is? So, write like this and then very simple. You will get one mark. Very simple, you will get one mark. So here, 7 questions are completed. The last one is 1 kilowatt hour, how many joules? 1 kilowatt hour, 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. The section 1 is completed. Now the section 2. Section 2 contains 3 2 marks questions. Each question contains 2 marks. 3 questions, 3 into 2, 6 marks. You will get 6 marks. General formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. Write the first 2 alkanes. So first 2 alkanes, one is methane. Second one is ethane. Another one is, so you will add CH2. If you know CH4, then you will add like this, CH4. We add CH2. C2, H6. Suppose it is C2H6, you will add CH2, CH2, C3H8. C3, you can write number of, you can give number of examples, and also you can write number of, what are these? Alkanes, alkanes. You know the general formula, CnH2n plus 2. Why do we prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Convex mirrors, very useful in mirrors. Very useful one in the mirrors. So convex mirror always forms virtual, erect and diminished images irrespective of distance of the object, and also enables a driver to view large area of the traffic behind him. సో మనము కార్లలో కానీ మోటార్ సైకిల్స్ లో కానీ అన్నిట్లో కూడా రియర్ వ్యూ అంటే ఎక్కడో దూరంగా ఉండేటటువంటి వచ్చేటటువంటి వెహికల్స్ ని చూసుకోవాలంటే మన లోపల నుంచే చూసుకుంటా ఉంటాం కార్లు దిక్కుండా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సిరీస్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ నాట్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ డొమెస్టిక్ సర్క్యూట్స్? సో ఇన్ ఎవరీ హౌస్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ ఈస్ connected with parallel connection. If you go anywhere, the connection is parallel, because, so what is the benefit to make this parallel arrangement? In the case of series arrangement, if one component fails, the circuit is broken. So in series, a large number of bulbs are there. At the time of marriages and other functions, you will find out a lot of bulbs are there. If one is failed, means if one is broken or anything happen, that circuit will be completely stopped. So that is the main defect, and also the voltage of the bulb is very low. It will glow very low. But if you come into the houses, the potential difference is standard potential difference in between all the components. That means if one component fails, the circuit is broken and none of the components works. So the series arrangement is not used for domestic circuits. కాబట్టి మనం ఇంటిలో ఎప్పుడు కూడా శ్రేణి సంధానములో ఉన్నటువంటి బల్బుల్ని వాడము, కలపం. ఇంటిలో ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనము ఇంటిలో ఉన్నటువంటి విద్యుత్ వలయం అంతా కూడా సమాంతర సంధానముతో చేయబడినది, parallel circuits. Very very important. So రీజన్ అడిగారు కాబట్టి మనము యు మస్ట్ రైట్ ది రీజన్. నెక్స్ట్ సెక్షన్ 3. So section 3 contains how many marks? 4 marks. How many questions you will get? 3 questions. So 3 questions, 4 marks, you will get 12 marks. Very easiest scoring area. This is very easiest scoring area. In this 12th question is, what is the 12th question? 12th question లో ఏముంటుంది? డ్రా ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ డయాగ్రామ్. కాబట్టి 12వ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఎత్తుకోవచ్చు. అక్కడ ఒక డయాగ్రామ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ డయాగ్రామ్కి ఎన్ని మార్కులు వస్తాయి? 4 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి మనకు. ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ మనకు చాయిస్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. చాయిస్ ఉంటుంది. 1 ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ 1 ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. ఇక్కడ మనం ఈజీగా యూ విల్ గెట్ ది 4 మార్క్స్. సో ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి డయాగ్రామ్స్ లో డ్రా ఎనీ రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మ్డ్ వెన్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ బైకాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ in the following positions at infinity, at 2f1. So this is very very important. How many images are formed in the convex lens? Total images are 6. How many real images and how many virtual images? How many real images are formed? 5. So a convex lens is not a complete forms real images. It forms real images and virtual images. The dominant is real images. Only one place the image formed is virtual image. ఎందుకంటే కుంభాకార కటకమే కదా, అది కుంభాకార కటకములో మనకు ప్రధాన అక్షం మీద, ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ మీద డిఫరెంట్ పొజిషన్స్ లో మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని పెడతాం, వస్తువుని పెట్టినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ అడిగేది ఏంటి? ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, వేర్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ అండ్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇమేజ్, వేర్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్డ్, హౌ ద ఇమేజ్ ఈస్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పొజిషన్ మీకు తెలుసు. మనకు లెన్స్ తీసుకుంటే లెన్స్ మధ్యలో ఏముంటుంది? ఆప్టిక్ సెంటర్ ఉంటుంది. ఆప్టిక్ సెంటర్ టచ్ చేస్తూ ఒక ఇమాజినరీ లైన్ వెళ్తుంది. దాన్ని మనం ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ అంటాం. ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ మీద మనకి ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉంటాయి, ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అక్కడ? ఎఫ్ 2 సైడ్స్ కూడా F1 F2, 2F1 2F2. దీనికి 2F కి బియాండ్, లేదా 2F కి F కి బిట్వీన్, లేదా 2F లేదంటే F కి ఓకే. వెరీ గుడ్. F కి ఓకే. దీస్ ఆర్ ద పొజిషన్స్. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ యు లెర్న్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద పొజిషన్స్. If you put the object in that positions, what type of image you will form? Generally, 5 of the images are real images. Real images, how the real images? Real images are always inverted. This is one common point. And the size where you will get the diminished. All are diminished. See, you will get real images 5. Real images. And what is the size of the image? What is the size of the image? First one is highly diminished. Very good. Second one is diminished. Next, Third one is ah. The first one is at infinity, real, inverted, diminished. Diminished అంటే ఏమని? What is the meaning of diminished? See తెలుగు చిన్నది, అది కూడా తెలియదా డిమినిష్డ్ అంటే? ఇక్కడ బియాండ్ 2f, రియల్, ఇన్వర్టెడ్, డిమినిష్డ్. డిమినిష్డ్ అంటే దేనికన్నా చిన్నది? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కన్నా చిన్నది. ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కన్నా చిన్నది ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని డిమినిష్డ్ అంటున్నాం. తర్వాత 2f దగ్గర ఉంది. ఎలా ఉంది అక్కడ 2f దగ్గర? రియల్, ఇన్వర్టెడ్, ఈక్వల్, నిజ ప్రతిబింబము తల క్రిందలు సమానంగా ఉంది. బిట్వీన్ 2f అండ్ f, రియల్, ఇన్వర్టెడ్, ఎన్లార్జ్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకు 1, 2, 1, 2లో డిమినిష్డ్, ఒక 4th లో మాత్రమే ఎలా ఉంది? అది రియల్ ఇమేజ్ అయినప్పటికీ ఎన్లార్జ్ గా ఉంది. ఈ ఒక పాయింట్ మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే దీన్ని టిప్స్ అంటాం మనం. టిప్స్ అర్థమైందా? తర్వాత ఎట్ ఎఫ్, రియల్, ఇన్వర్టెడ్, ఎన్లార్జ్డ్. ఇక్కడ కూడా రియల్, ఇన్వర్టెడ్, ఎన్లార్జ్డ్. 5th లో కూడా అదే ఉంది. అయితే 6th లో వర్చువల్, ఎరెక్ట్ అండ్ ఎన్లార్జ్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డిమినిష్డ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్లార్జ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఈక్వల్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఫస్ట్ 2 డిమినిష్డ్, తర్వాత ఈక్వల్, తర్వాత 2 ఎన్లార్జ్. ఎన్లార్జ్ ఎన్నైనా ఎప్పటికి 5. తర్వాత ఏంది? నాట్ రియల్ ఇమేజ్, అక్కడ రియల్ ఇమేజ్ కాదు, వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ అండ్ ఎన్లార్జ్. ఈ పాయింట్స్ కానీ మీరు క్యాచ్ చేస్తే రెండో సైడ్ మీకు ఆ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్ని కూడా కరెక్ట్ గా రాయగలరు. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ you will draw these diagrams and find out the positions and find out the image positions and find out the image characters. So if you easily get 4 marks, not ask 6 positions, only 2 positions are asked in the question paper, but you will learn the 6 positions. You will learn the 6 positions. So next one is another diagram. Draw the diagram which shows that acid solution in water conduct electricity. Draw the diagram which shows that acid solution in water conduct electricity. Okay. So you will get one question, one diagram from physics, one diagram from chemistry. If we learn 5 or 6 diagrams in physics and 5 or 6 diagrams in chemistry, you will get easily 4 marks. So depends upon your practice, you will draw the diagram very easily. Next one is 13th question. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? Explain the answer. This is the question you will write in the acids and bases chapter. The 14th question. So 14th question is also very, very easy question. So one table is given here. In this table, refractive index of the material. Refractive index of the material is given. So in the table, you will see refractive index. So table is like this. Definitely these type of questions are asked in the examination. So here is material medium. So this is refractive index. First one is air, ice, ruby, benzene. Ruby and benzene. Refractive index air 1.003, 1.31, next 1.71, next one 1.50. Very simple question. You will easily get 4 marks. Here material medium is given. Material medium air, ice, ruby and benzene. refractive index values are 1.003, 1.31, 1.71, 1.50. Now the question, what type of question is asked? Question 1, which material medium is optically rarer? Which material medium is optically rarer? Tell me the answer. Air. Why? Why it is rarer? Why? Reason. I want the reason. Why it is rarer? Anyone? Yes. In the given 4 refractive index values, the least value, which is having the least value, that is rarer medium. That is rarer medium. Here, 1.50, 1.71, 1.31, 1.003. So, comparison with all the material medium, air is having lowest refractive index value. That is called rarer medium. So, answer is air. The second one is, which material medium is optically denser? Very good. Why? This is having high refractive index value, 1.71. Next one is, what is the relation between refractive index and the speed of the light in the medium? There is one formula is there. So N is directly proportional to 1 by V, or refractive index is inversely proportional. దేనికి speed of the light. Speed of the light. ఉందా అక్కడ? Refractive index M is directly proportional to 1 by V. That means inversely. Inversely proportional. Last one, what is the SI unit of refractive index? No unit. No unit. This is one important question. No units. So here the 12th question, 13th question and 14th questions are completed. So now you are coming to the section 4. This is the last one, and also the to get a lot of marks